Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Sa video na to, join us as we go strawberry picking for the first time sa The Village at Relax. Kilalang Wexford strawberry sa kanilang tamis at juiciness. Seasonal lang ang ganitong activity, usually nangyayari from May to October. Before heading to the village at Relax, nagbook muna kami online for our strawberry picking experience. The fee is 7 euros per adult, 3 euros per child, and free para sa mga batang below 3 years old. Pagdating namin doon, since may booking na kami, we simply approached the lady at the counter in the bus area. Pagdating namin, we were directed to area number 9 for our strawberry picking activity. Sa counter, pinapili kami kung gusto namin ng basket or tub. Ang basket usually holds around 1 kilo of strawberries, while yung tub can carry over 2 kilos. Pinili namin ang basket just to pick enough strawberries for the family. And take note, strawberry fruit costs 13 euros per kilo, which is not included sa initial booking fee.
Okay.
We started don't eat any strawberries since last year. Came way back.
All right.
Any questions?
Here.
Knock. Pick up the big and nice one.
Big and nice one, Riley. Not the greens. You can go here, Riley.
Riley, help you.
See, full of strawberries. Daddy.
Where were you to the booth?
Riley,
Yeah?
come here.
Okay.
See, go get it.
Daddy,
This
let
is
me
red.
pick some.
Oh no.
Let Riley pick them.
Let Riley pick.
Let you pick it. Here,
Riley, give it to the. I can hold this, Riley. Where?
It's hard to take. It's hard.
Riley, look.
My
Come
nails
here.
there. Oh yeah, I did it. Oh, that's not a very big one.
Ah,
Not a very big one.
choose the.
Come here.
Ooh, a big one.
Nice. Ben has one already.
Manny boy, is that your favorite? More.
Love strawberry.
Okay.
Look, I pick only red ones.
I'm starting for red one.
Is that your favorite, Ben? Do you want to walk?
Yeah, but
Where's the lava? Can I?
here.
These are all the red ones.
I got all the red ones.
Ayan, Daddy. Pick.
Sira na.
Hmm?
Ito, maganda oh.
Kunin mo yung red na favorite ni Ben. Tingnan mo, binubutas na ni Ben.
Riley, look.
Ay pa, Daddy, oh.
Saan?
Have a red one. Have a red one.
Look at this, Riley. Beautiful. Here, big red. Riley, big red.
You and Daddy should have red bucket.
Okay.
Why is it overflowing?
Oh, give me, let me hold it if it's too heavy for you. Okay. 1 kilo to. They're greens. Okay. Paborito ni Ben to, hindi talaga ako bumili. Ano ka ba yung ano? Bumili strawberry. Ha?
Oh, Riley, the big red.
Ito ate, oh. Ayan mo. Pero parang ang sarap ng kainin.
Naubusan niya bilisan.
Tama, nakaubos na ng isa si Benben. You know, hindi natin madinig na yung bawal kumain while fruit picking. Kukuha pa siya ng isa.
Review 1.
The juiciest one.
I saw red ones.
Ah, wow, very good, ate. See? I think this is more than 1 kilo now. Now we'll go back to the bus and they'll have to weigh this. No, we cannot get 2 kilos. Ben can... Baka masira din naman. Next time we can come back here. Ha? Daddy, sige ka na.
After picking, kailangan bumalik kami sa same counter
Oh, Daddy,
para
dito kayo
i-weigh
ni
yung
Ben.
strawberries
Picturean
na
ko kayo.
na-harvest namin. Then bayaran ito
sige na.
depende sa total weight.
Smile! Yun na.
Where are we? Courtyard.
Courtyard shops.
Okay, go. What you buy, right? What you will buy?
Toys.
There's no toys.
There's nothing. That's the only shop open.
It's like flowers everywhere.
So that's shop is not open.
What else? What do you think? Now, why there's the biggest chair in there? You fit.
After the strawberry picking activity, we decided to dine in for lunch. May courtyard area sila with a small playground, perfect for the kids to enjoy the nice weather while we relax and eat outdoors.
What's your food, Elora? Just for ate.
Before we left, tumaan muna kami sa cafe area nila. May ice cream sila na available in strawberry and vanilla flavors. Perfect pang cool down after the PDP. May mga homemade jams din, fresh strawberries for sale, and of course, masasarap na baked pastries na pwedeng pasalubong. All in all, it was such a sweet and fun experience. Lalo na for the kids na super enjoy sa summer vibes. Definitely a day to remember.